Welcome to the Amags Global YouTube channel, your partner in consultancy, sourcing, international trade and logistics. Today, we would like to welcome you to one of our wind turbines factories in China. Enjoy your virtual tour with us.
Hello everyone, I'm Lei from Amags Global. Today I've come to a much smaller factory but very functional, making vertical and horizontal type of wind turbines. I will try to show you all the consisting parts of a certain model of horizontal type wind turbine. See, this is how they make the coil, all by hand. Here you can see the big fans of higher watts of wind turbines. It's super hot here, up to 40 degrees. Here is the workshop for making vertical type of wind turbines. You're already seeing one of the main models here. And next we're going to show you the other parts. I walked directly into the workshop where they are making the generators. Okay. As you can see here, all the axles are from Japan, imported.